Hello everybody, Shubham from Team Dualite this side. Today we are going to be working towards building a website where you can basically type in your prompt and it generates the corresponding video. For that, we are going to be integrating with Dualite Sora 2 API keys, OP API that allows you to make that process, the entire text to video generation, right? So let's begin. Firstly, I'm going to go on OpenAI platform. Firstly, we would need our API keys, right? For that, you would need some OpenAI keys, and you're gonna have to log in from here and just go to your profile. Mhm. And from over here, firstly, go to the billing section and see. Just make sure that you have some balance over here, like some $1 or $2 stuff, so that you can complete this project, right? And I'm now gonna go to now you should go to the API keys, right, and create a new API key, and I'm gonna name it Sora Pro API, and I'm going to select any random project, default project, and create secret key. Yes, all right. So now that it has generated the API keys, I am gonna now go to Dualite. I want to create an a website which can take in user prompt and generate the corresponding video using OpenAI API keys, or rather using Sora Pro model, right? And also, we're going to basically put up some good design into the website. I need the website to have white theme and elegant sans serif, maybe sans serif, pitch black, hashtag 000 fonts. And also, I need the website to have a few image examples. All right, so of beautiful sceneries. I mean, just for the front end to look good. Sceneries, it is supposed to be beautiful, right? Now what I'm going to do is go to the OpenAI platform again, OpenAI, but I'm going to actually go to the docs this time. Uh, OpenAI video generation documentation. Yeah, OpenAI video generation guide. I'm going to go to that. And what you're going to have to do from here is you can see video generation. Just keep on scrolling down bit. hmm You can see the models over here, Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, right? Right. Okay. And also just make sure that you change this selector from JavaScript to curl, right? For the simplicity of the project. And I'm gonna copy this entire documentation from Sora 2 Pro and copy. And now what I'm gonna do is paste it over here. Here's the documentation for Sora 2 Pro integration. hmm Video generation integration, right? Okay. And also just mention in the end that we're using OpenAI keys, beat OpenAI API keys, and just execute. Okay, let's wait for it to generate. Okay, so let's see what it has generated. It looks seems very good to me. It's telling me to put my API keys over there on the env. I'm going to go to code and I'm going to open the env file. And this key that I had earlier, I'm just going to copy it and paste it over here and click on CTR plus S, that is save. And yeah, the preview is loading again. Okay, so it has created it pretty well right now, but it does not have like those controls that we had in like all this. I'm just going to copy it again. I'm just going to paste it. So API keys, and just change it to, since it is given your API key, I'm going to put it your API key as well. And I need to be able to change the F size and F seconds on the interface as well. And what we're going to put, and let it load for as the, since the generation is kind of slow with Sora APIs when you use the API, we're gonna tell our website that, oh, you know what, don't set out like a timeout. I need just keep on getting the frames and frames and frames, and it will at the end generate like a whole video, right? Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna put in this prompt. Let's wait. Okay, so now let us see what it has generated. Firstly, I'm also going to go to the code and see. Yeah, my packages are already there as it is supposed to be. Let me just wait for it to load a bit. Yeah, it's there. So yeah, now we have some more control over the resolution, right? And I'm gonna put prompt a cinematic shot of a baby riding a bicycle in a Minecraft like interface. Minecraft like interface. Okay. And I'm gonna put the video length to be 4 seconds or maybe three. What's the minimum? I guess let's put it four for now and generate. It takes like a lot of time for Sora to API keys to generate it, so let's just wait for now. So let us see what it has generated. This is okay. That's great. So